Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Spanish guitar solos is probably one of the most captivating and rewarding musical endeavors one can embark upon, offering a rich tapestry of melodies that evoke passion, romance, and the vibrant spirit of Spain, making it an ideal choice for guitarists seeking to expand their repertoire with pieces that are both technically engaging and emotionally resonant. Number 5. 30 Wood Classical Guitar Beginner Pack, Pink. Is your child dreaming of playing the guitar? This beginner classical guitar is the perfect answer to get them started on their musical adventure. Crafted from durable linden wood with comfortable nylon and steel strings, it's designed for little fingers to play without discomfort. This comprehensive package includes a strap, extra strings, picks, a protective case, a tuner, and a capo for endless musical exploration. Made with popular tone woods, it produces beautiful, real tunes. The adjustable tuners ensure you can achieve the perfect sound for any style. Give the gift of music with this fantastic starter guitar. It's ideal for kids, boys, girls, and anyone new to playing. Let them explore their creativity and develop a lifelong love for music. This instrument is ready for them to start learning and playing. What we like. This is a fantastic starter guitar, especially for younger players. It's built with durable linden wood and comfortable strings, making it easy for small fingers to learn on. If you're looking for a complete package to get a child started with guitar lessons, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The metal strings hold tune quite well, as with cheap nylon strings those are a little tough to keep in tune. The tuning machines are not as bad as you might think on guitar at this price. The included electronic tuner works very well, the strap is decent, the cleaning cloth is very nice and the picks are okay, and it included a spare set of strings. This guitar came with all my granddaughter needs to get started learning how to play. It also comes with a nice fabric case. The pink color is beautiful. She was thrilled to get it for her birthday. It was a great price, easy to tune and sounds great. Tune is good, size ideal, good value for money for beginners who want to introduce themselves to guitar. Well-packed package. Number 4. Guitar Fretboard Memorization System. Tired of struggling to find the right notes? Imagine playing any song with confidence. This system is designed to help you achieve that. You can learn to navigate your fretboard quickly and efficiently. We provide a clear path to memorization, making it accessible for everyone. Unlock a wealth of knowledge with over 35 practical tips and exercises. These tools are crafted to reinforce your learning and build muscle memory. Say goodbye to guesswork. With our proven methods, you'll be able to find any note on the fretboard with ease and speed. This is more than just learning notes, it's about unlocking your full musical potential. Start playing the music you love, without limitations. What we like. Want to master the fretboard quickly? This guide offers over 35 tips and exercises designed to help you memorize it in under 24 hours. If you're a beginner struggling with fretboard navigation and want a structured, fast-track approach, this is the resource for you. What people say. This book breaks things down in very simple logical progressions that make it really quick and easy to learn patterns to learn the notes on each string through all 24 frets. It uses memorization tricks like memorizing GAB on the 6th string this way, the goat ate the bag. This book teaches you how to memorize the fretboard in way less than 24 hours, it took me 9 minutes and I can easily play each fret and call out the note for each one accurately. Number 3. Guitar Exercises for Beginners. Are you ready to take your guitar playing to the next level? This program is designed to help you improve your skills significantly, even with a busy schedule. Imagine playing with twice the skill in no time. Our method focuses on efficient practice to maximize your progress. You don't need hours to become a better guitarist. Dedicate just 10 minutes each day, and you'll see remarkable improvements. If you're just starting out, this is the perfect guide for you. We break down essential exercises into easy-to-follow steps. Don't wait to start sounding like the guitarist you've always wanted to be. Begin your journey today and experience rapid progress. What we like. Looking to rapidly improve your guitar skills? These exercises are designed to help you achieve significant progress in just 10 minutes a day. If you're a beginner with limited time but a strong desire to see quick results, this daily routine is perfect. What people say. The arrangements are well done and capture the essence of each song. This collection is perfect for intermediate guitarists looking to expand their repertoire. The accompanying audio tracks are a great resource for learning the solos. Number 2. Adult Beginner Guitar Songbook. Ever wanted to play the guitar? This book is designed for adult beginners, making it easy to start your musical journey. You'll learn to play famous guitar songs that you love. Imagine strumming along to your most cherished tunes. Go beyond the basics and dive into essential guitar chords and techniques. We'll guide you through every step. Unlock the secrets of music theory as it applies to the guitar. Understanding the why behind the music makes playing more rewarding. Supplement your learning with streaming video lessons. See the techniques in action and follow along with expert instruction. This comprehensive guide provides everything you need to begin playing. Start your adventure with the guitar today. What we like. This book is tailored for adult beginners who want to play popular songs right away. It covers essential chords, music theory, and technique, with the added benefit of streaming video lessons. If you're an adult learner who wants to play recognizable tunes and prefers visual learning aids, this is a great option. What people say. This book from Professor Ferrante is complementing my missing gaps. Now I am already playing some melodies. This book is very good, a thorough introduction to learning to play the guitar with zero experience. This is a fantastic instructional book. I love how easy it is to follow and how the lessons progress in a manner that includes the previous lesson so you can continue to use what you previously learned. Number 1. 30 Easy Spanish Guitar Solos by Mark Phillips. Unlock the secrets of Spanish guitar with this collection of 30 easy solos. Perfect for beginners looking to explore vibrant Latin rhythms. This songbook includes guitar tablature and online audio to guide your learning. Play along and perfect your technique with clear instructions. Designed specifically for beginners, these solos make learning Spanish and Latin favorites accessible and enjoyable. Start playing your favorite tunes today. Immerse yourself in the rich sounds of Spanish and Latin music. These arrangements capture the essence of the genre in an easy-to-play format. With detailed tablature and accompanying audio, you have everything you need to succeed. Learn to play these beautiful melodies with confidence. Embark on an exciting musical adventure with these curated solos. It's the perfect starting point for any aspiring guitarist interested in this style. What we like. This songbook is perfect for beginners wanting to explore Spanish and Latin guitar music. It features easy-to-play solos with clear tablature and accompanying audio. If you're new to the guitar and have a passion for the evocative sounds of Spanish music, this is an ideal starting point. What people say. Even in the very easiest selections, Phillips has focused on musicality and beauty. Everything in the book sounds good. Most of the songs are easy to play and some are very challenging but sound so amazing it is worth the work. It comes with a CD so you can listen to all the songs and even play along if you get good enough to do that. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.